Welcome to Future Builders 5.0. Today, I will make himself a house. He's going to the site. Here, I need some building blocks. We have to make this stable for. Okay. Last time he's making the ground stable now. Now he needs to get the building blocks. He's at Home Depot to get the building blocks now. I like this one. Let's go this one. I'll come back for more later. I need to get this one first. It's a heavy load. He has to put his forks up. There. Now he's going to bring a building block to the construction site. Here. This building block is heavy. Now we can place the first building. Now, put the dirt on. There. Now we need to go. Oh, this building block is not the one I wanted. I need to go return it later. Oh no! He has to get new construction. He has to get new construction here. He's going to go get some wood now. This should be a good pallet for my build. Now, I need to get this one. It's gonna be hard to carry. I need to go get I'm gonna go get my trailer. Oh! My friend told me to finish the job for him, so I'm going to. Let's go to the site. This is a heavy load. Whoa, it's really heavy. It's so heavy, I have to take a break. Oh my gosh. Oh, almost there. get it off the forklift. Okay, it's off now. Let's put it down. There we go. Now we have to get all the all right. Now before need the house. Now this is where it's a one-person house for me. There we go. And now we'll make a roof. Now we gotta get some landscaping. Let's go. Let me get my truck. Oh, the rope is stuck on my truck. I need to get this off with my conveyor belt has rope all over it. I need to take this off. There. Alright, let's hold off. Now we can buy trees. Let's go. Looking for you. Okay. I need help loading this giant palm tree. Okay. And now take those landscaping rocks too. Alright. Load it up. Now we can put this like this. It's a big tree. Okay, I got it. Bye. I'll come back for the rocks. Here we are. Now where should I plant the tree? Where should we plant it? Right there. Should be good. Make a hole right here. Oh, there's a bug. Get out. Get out of my house, bug. Alright. Let's put the tree in. There. Let's cover it with dirt. Dirt is important and soil to make the tree grow. Now, there we go. The tree is gonna grow. There we go. Oh, now we put this tree in a good shape. There. Now, can go get the rocks. Oh. I'm ready for the walk. Okay. Here you go. This is a big bucket of rocks. It's even bigger than me. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's gonna fit in my truck. I need to get a new truck and a new trailer. Oh my gosh, this is a big load. Hurry! cut it out. And look what happens to it. Oh, this. This cut off. What happened to my toothbrush? I'm telling you guys, I need a new something. Always happens. Okay. Anyway, let's get the landscaping box. Oh yeah. Now we can spread it. Spread it. Another bug, really? Get out! Get out! Spread it. There we go. Okay, I'm done with my house. Bye. That's all for today. Like and subscribe. Bye.